What's going on, everyone? Thank you for Mapchrome, and yeah, it's a helmet, but not just any helmet. This thing's actually pretty darn special. I'm gonna tell you why you may want to consider one of these helmets. This is the SF-999 from Basecamp, and it is a pretty interesting, smart helmet. That's right, it's a smart helmet, which means you can turn it on and connect it to your phone's Bluetooth, and you can stream audio, you can take a phone call, and you can even signal so people know which way you're going. This thing's got a lot packed into it, plus a nice design with some ventilation up front, really comfortable, easy to adjust. We just have this little twist to adjust. Solid helmet. It is, of course, safety certified, but the magic with this thing, of course, happens because it is Bluetooth compatible. Now, it does have a microphone up front, and it has some active noise canceling. So I took a call with my wife, and we found that she was able to hear me pretty much perfectly clear, like I wasn't riding a bike, up to about 10 to 12 miles an hour. Once I got a little bit faster than that, she could still hear me. It just didn't come through as crisp, and sometimes she lost. It did kind of sound like there was something happening. So definitely great at lower speeds, not great when you're really moving. But, you know, I don't think taking phone calls is really why you buy this thing. When I ride my bike, I don't want to take phone calls. What I want to do is just kind of ride, and it's great for listening to music. You can go ahead and fire up your phone, and the music's gonna come out of the speakers underneath. Really nice little feature for sure. Definitely enjoying that. So you're gonna have a helmet to save your noggin. You might as well get some upgrades, listen to some music. You don't have to worry about earphones or your phone or anything like that. Plus these lights in the back just make it a little bit safer for things, and you can definitely see them even in bright sunlight. Now, if you're running the lights and the music, you'll get about 5 hours of run time. If you're just playing music, you should get about 8 hours. If you're just using the lights, we're talking 16 hours of battery life. It's not cheap. This thing's gonna cost you about 90 bucks, but listen, you can't put a price on safety. Yes, I wear a helmet. Call me names if you'd like.
Don't be a pussy.
But traumatic brain injury is no joke, and yeah, I know some people that aren't quite as fortunate as some others. So keep that noggin safe, and might as well enjoy some tunes while you're out riding. Hopefully this was helpful. Other things that you probably want to consider that I'm a big fan of. I love having one of those little bags strapped to the back of my mountain bike. It just comes in super handy when I ride downtown. I grab some donuts in the morning, ride back for my kids. I can throw them in there. I keep some tools to kind of make adjustments. That's come in handy before. So if you're looking for things like this helmet or some other accessories for your bike, check the links down below. They're affiliate links, and yes, they do help support this channel. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Good luck, everyone, and safe riding.